Hello and welcome. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to install the Phoca Cart e-commerce extension along with the Phoca Sport Joomla 5 and Joomla 6 template on a fresh Joomla 6 installation, all in a matter of moments. This step-by-step guide will help us quickly get started and test out Phoca Cart's features without any hassle. We'll be installing the following packages: the Phoca Cart core and default module packages, the Phoca Sport template along with its demo data, and finally the Phoca Cart demo data. Phoca Cart is an intuitive e-commerce solution for Joomla, and this video will get us set up in no time to start exploring its full potential. Let's dive in and get our store up and running. As you can see, using the ready-made installation packages, a fully functional e-commerce website can be set up in no time at all from a fresh Joomla installation, providing us with a great way to get familiar with Phoca Cart.